Had ons nie in die huwelik soos Goliath teenoor Dawid gestaan het nie. Want sover as die Suidpool verwyder is van die Noordpool, ja, liewe toerder, sover as wit verwyder is van swart, sover was Dawid 'n Goliath in statuur en persoonlikheid verwyder van elkaar.
Hey, my broer, nice taxi you got looks just like ours. What about some nice fresh oranges for my big brother today? Nice and fresh. We just picked them now. Yes.
Ek is nie jou brother nie, okay?
Yes. No. Wait a minute. This is the new South Africa.
Luister hier, Tata. Jy soek nog groot moeilikheid met die verkeerde ou op die verkeerde plek.
Yes.
Die is Transvalia. Het jy dit?
Yes. No. Transvalia is the fresh start. It's only same thing now in the new South Africa. It's no problem. There's no problem.
Luister hier, Tata.
Yes.
Vat nou goeie raad van my, hoor.
Yes.
Vat jou party,
Yes.
jou lemoene, vat jou goed en uit my dorp uit.
Yes.
Voor daai troue uitkom.
Yes.
Anders Roupel, is jy history. Het jy my?
Yes, but I can't understand because you see it's now wrong because it's no discrimination.
Ton is 'n pote van my karaf.
Yes.
I thought you said this is a new South Africa.
Genie, something's not right in this town.
Yes, how going, Baba? Yes. You are my brother from security. We've got no problem here. It's only love and peace and nice, fresh oranges. Touch my blood.
Dawid, klein van postuur, het voor die majestueuze Goliath stelling ingeneem.
Waar kry julle die lemoene?
This lamune is no problem. It's a place just 10 kilometers from here. It's got maning plenty. Go in there, you just pick. But if you don't want to take the trouble, you can buy them here from me, 660 for 6. Yeah.
Now you take these lemoene,
This lamune.
who belong to me, and you put them back on that bakkie one by one on the back. And you,
Me.
yeah, you take this party of yours and this taxi, and you foot track out of my town, or I shoot you dead right here on the spot.
You don't want trouble, so rather take it.
No, wait, Baba. This is not fair, you see? Because if this lamune, she belongs to you, you must put a fence. Yes, my bro. And you must put a sign. You say, this lamune, she's the lamune from my name. But right now, this lamune, she belongs to me. Yes.
Please, Genie, please.
No. Right is right and wrong is wrong. And there is no black and white. Yes.
No. Black is black and white is white. And you are left and I am right.
Right.
Now I'm going to tell you something. You see what I do here? Now, as few as I have the right to smash up your taxi, just so few have you the right to steal my lamuna.
But this is not our
Hey, this one, she's telling us a story, Shoti.
Yeah, I'm telling
Yes,
the story. You
yes.
see, one day there was a boer.
Yes.
And the boy was taking his lamuna. En die boer zei, geef terug mijn lamuna. No! En de boy zei, nee.
No!
Die boer zei, geef terug.
No!
Elke toeskouer se gesig het die genadeloze spanning van daardie zenuwtergende momente
En hij zegt, geef terug. No! En nou, tegen mij, wie zijn lamuna is het? Is het mijn lamuna?
Kona, this lamune, she is mine.
I corner break your taxi like you haven't seen before.
Yes.
And 1, 2.
Ja, lieve toerder, toe wordt het stil. En Dawid, kleine Dawid,
Nooit hoef je kennis vertrouwen te vla. Wat betekent jouw vlag? Transvalia.
en ik zie duidelijk voor mijn geestesoog hoe Dawid stip in die ogen van die reus staat.
Hij kon
Toe hij zien dat David om het niks meer...
praat jy?
Vertel jou, Karel.
Waar?
Het die reus vreselijk kwaad geword en gewilder. Wat een donder denk jy doen jy?
En wie zijn lemoenen is het nou, hè? Is het mijne?
Hey, Kona, die lamuna, she is mine. But this time, my bro, she belongs to our brother over here. Spijt wat maakt hij? Het is gelijk mijn
En die reus getref. Hier. Net hier. En die kleine David het gejuich. En de Israëlieten het gejuich. En dan het een groot juichkreet uit de aarde opgestijg.
Sy nog steeds is my f***ing lemoene. Boy.